Are you looking for woodworking projects ideas that sell well to make you big profits? Stay tuned until the end to see some of the best wood furniture and wooden decor pieces you can make and sell for profit. The storytelling aspect of woodworking is an essential component of selling furniture and decor. Every piece of wood has its own history, and sharing that narrative can create a deeper connection with potential customers. Whether it's discussing the source of the wood, the techniques used in crafting, or the inspiration behind a design, storytelling can enhance the perceived value of your work. This narrative can be woven into marketing materials, product descriptions, or even shared during craft fairs and exhibitions. As you embark on your woodworking journey, consider the importance of building a brand. Establishing a recognizable style and aesthetic can help set your work apart in a crowded market. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your creations, share behind-the-scenes processes, and engage with potential customers. High-quality images and compelling descriptions can capture attention and drive interest in your products. Building an online presence can significantly expand your reach, allowing you to connect with customers beyond your local community. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking projects ideas that sell well to make you big profits. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The world of woodworking offers endless possibilities for creating stylish furniture and decorative items that can enhance both your home and your income potential. By exploring various ideas and techniques, you can tap into the growing demand for handcrafted, unique pieces that resonate with consumers. From reclaimed wood decor to multifunctional furniture, the opportunities are vast. Embrace your creativity, share your story, and build a brand that reflects your passion for woodworking. With dedication and ingenuity, you can transform your skills into a successful venture while enriching your living space with beautiful, handcrafted items. The ability to mix and match different wood tones and finishes opens up endless possibilities for creativity. This adaptability extends beyond initial design choices. As styles evolve over time, wooden pieces can easily be updated with new finishes or accessories, allowing homeowners to refresh their spaces without significant investment. The role of wood furniture in fostering community and connection within the home cannot be overstated. Wooden pieces often serve as focal points for gatherings, encouraging family and friends to come together and share experiences. The act of gathering around a wooden dining table or lounging on a wooden bench creates opportunities for connection, conversation, and shared memories. In an increasingly digital world where interactions can often feel superficial, the tangible presence of wood furniture helps ground us in real-life experiences. The warmth and authenticity of wood create an inviting atmosphere that encourages people to engage with one another on a deeper level. This sense of community is vital for our emotional well-being, reminding us of the importance of connection in our lives. Another compelling reason to embrace wood furniture is the artistry and craftsmanship involved in its creation. Skilled artisans dedicate their time and talents to shaping, finishing, and perfecting each piece, infusing it with care and attention to detail. This craftsmanship not only reflects a commitment to quality, but also celebrates the beauty of human creativity. Networking within the woodworking community can open doors for collaboration and growth. Joining local woodworker groups or participating in craft fairs can provide valuable opportunities to showcase your work and meet fellow artisans. Collaborations can lead to innovative projects and increase your visibility, benefiting all parties involved. Learning from others' experiences can also provide insights into effective techniques and marketing strategies. Remember that the journey of woodworking is one of continuous learning and growth. As you experiment with new ideas and techniques, don't be afraid to challenge yourself. Embrace the learning process, as it can lead to unexpected creativity and innovation. Whether you're crafting pieces for sale or revamping your own home, the joy of woodworking lies in the ability to create something unique and meaningful. When we choose wooden decor pieces, we are not merely selecting functional items. We are investing in works of art that hold intrinsic value. The unique characteristics of each piece, from the grain to the finish, reflect the individuality of the artisan and the material itself. This appreciation for craftsmanship cultivates a sense of respect for the objects in our homes, enhancing our overall experience and connection to our living spaces. As we navigate through life, our homes become our sanctuaries, places where we can recharge, reflect, and express ourselves. The inclusion of wood furniture and decor contributes to the overall sense of place within our homes. Wood embodies a connection to nature, invoking feelings of stability and comfort. This connection is especially important in urban environments, where concrete and steel can dominate our surroundings, leaving us yearning for a touch of the natural world. Ultimately, using wood furniture and decor pieces in home decor is about more than just aesthetics. It is an exploration of personal style, a connection to nature, and a commitment to sustainability. Each wooden piece carries the potential for individuality and storytelling, inviting homeowners to curate their living spaces in a way that reflects their values and experiences. The warmth, versatility, and tactile quality of wood create an inviting atmosphere that encourages connection, both to the environment and to one another. The integration of wood furniture and decor into home decor is a celebration of nature, craftsmanship, and sustainability. It allows for a rich interplay of materials and styles, creating spaces that are not only beautiful, but also meaningful. As people continue to seek authenticity and connection in their living environments, wood will undoubtedly remain a cherished element in home design, fostering a sense of comfort and belonging in every home it graces. The presence of wood in our homes can transform spaces into havens of tranquility. Whether it's a wooden coffee table that invites relaxation or a wooden bookshelf that holds our favorite stories, these pieces create environments that foster creativity, introspection, and peace. This sense of place is vital for our mental and emotional well-being, allowing us to feel grounded amidst the chaos of daily life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking projects ideas that sell well to make you big profits. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.